Welcome back to another exciting episode of Rare Coin Review. Today we're diving into the fascinating story of this coin, 20 euro cent coin from Germany, minted in the year 2002. It may look like an ordinary coin, but its background, design, and collector's value make it one of the most intriguing pieces in the world of modern European currency. The euro was officially introduced in 2002, replacing the Deutsche Mark in Germany and several other European currencies. That makes the 2002 coins the very first batch of euro coins ever circulated in Germany, marking the beginning of a new monetary era for the entire continent. Each euro coin tells a story about the nation that issued it. For Germany, the 20 euro cent coin was designed to represent unity, heritage, and strength. The coin's design was created by Reinhard Heinsdorf, a well-known German artist, who was inspired by traditional European architecture and the deep-rooted values of democracy and peace. That on the reverse side, the coin features the standard European design used across all Eurozone countries, a map of Europe symbolizing the union of nations. But the obverse side is where things get special. Germany chose to feature the Brandenburg Gate, one of its most iconic landmarks located in Berlin, symbolizing the reunification of East and West Germany after the fall of the Berlin Wall. The gate's image is surrounded by 12 stars, representing the European Union and the year of minting, 2002, clearly visible below the gate. The mint mark, a small letter near the edge, indicates which of Germany's 5 mints produced the coin. The marks are for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. Now, while millions of these coins were produced for circulation, not every coin is created equal. Some 2002 German 20 euro cent coins have rare minting errors or special features that make them highly desirable among collectors. These include double strikes, off-center minting, or coins struck on the wrong metal blanks. What makes this coin particularly interesting is how it connects to a major moment in history, the unification of European economies under one currency. For collectors, owning a 2002 coin from Germany is like holding a piece of the very first chapter of the euro's history. The coin's composition is also noteworthy. It's made of a unique Nordic gold alloy, a mix of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, giving it that distinctive golden shine while being resistant to tarnishing. This alloy was specially chosen for the euro coins to ensure durability and easy recognition by touch and color. When it comes to size, the 20 euro cent measures 22.25 millimeters in diameter and weighs 5.74 grams. The edges are smooth yet slightly indented with fine lines, making it easy to identify even without looking closely, a thoughtful design for both convenience and accessibility. Collectors often look for coins in uncirculated or proof condition. These are coins that have never been used and retain their original mint luster. If your 2002 German 20 euro cent is still shining like new and shows no signs of wear, it could be worth significantly more than its face value. Speaking of value, this is where things get really exciting. In the world of rare coin collecting, certain versions of the 2002 Germany 20 euro cent coin, especially those with minting errors or proof-like finishes, have been reported to reach astonishing prices in private auctions. Some collectors and experts have estimated that extremely rare examples could fetch up to $6 million, depending on their rarity, condition, and historical significance. That, of course, not every coin will reach that value. But the mere fact that some have been appraised so high tells us how passionate collectors can be when it comes to these pieces of European history. Always check with a professional numismatist or coin expert before selling or buying such coins to ensure you know exactly what you're holding. Another fascinating detail is that many people across Europe still carry these 2002 coins in their wallets without realizing their potential worth. Every year, stories emerge of individuals finding a rare 2002 minting variation in their pocket change, and later discovering its significant value in the collector's market. The German 20 euro cent coin continues to symbolize a period of transformation, hope, and cooperation. It reflects how a simple object, something as small as a coin, can connect people across nations and generations through shared history. So, if you happen to find a 2002 Germany 20 euro cent coin, take a closer look. Check the mint mark, the condition, and any unusual features. Who knows? You might be holding one of the rarest treasures in modern European coinage, this coin, 2002 Germany 20 euro cent coin history.